Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Velo by Wix. Velo is a powerful development platform that lets you extend the functionality of your Wix website with custom code. It enables you to create dynamic web applications, integrate with third-party services, and build unique user experiences. You can write JavaScript directly in your site's editor, giving you immense flexibility and control over your site's behavior. Velo offers several core capabilities to enhance your site. You can use JavaScript to add custom logic, creating interactive elements and dynamic user experiences. It provides access to robust Wix APIs, allowing you to manage site content, user data, and more. Furthermore, Velo enables seamless integration with external databases and various third-party services, expanding your site's potential significantly. To begin using Velo, first enable developer mode within your Wix editor. This reveals the code panel and site structure. Next, dive into the extensive Velo documentation. It's an invaluable resource for learning and finding examples. You'll write your JavaScript directly in the integrated code editor. Always remember to thoroughly test your custom code in preview mode before publishing your site. For advanced Velo development, consider organizing your code into reusable modules. This significantly improves maintainability. Always implement robust error handling to ensure your applications are resilient and user-friendly. Leverage Wix data for efficient and secure interactions with your site's databases. Finally, optimize your JavaScript code for performance, ensuring your site loads quickly and provides a smooth user experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.